What's up, everybody? Sushi here. Sorry, I'm not in the lock lab. I gotta film a little bit differently, but I just wanted to share something. Check this bad boy out. For you lock sport guys out there, guys and gals. Sorry, I thought I lost the keys. You should check eBay more often. I won the bid on this, 99 cents. Plus shipping, so I was less than $11 total. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, needs to be cleaned up a bit, but that is easy peasy. And 2 keys. So anyway, I thought that was really nice. Solid brass. Admiral number 8. I believe it's the same as like the 770, but with the hollow. Obviously, it's got the hollow key instead of the solid, but I'm not certain on that. Don't quote me. There's other people that know a lot more. But anyway, Locksport guys, check out eBay more often. It might be worth it. I usually wait till the end of the bid, closer to the end, and then if nobody's bid anything and it's a good deal, yeah, why not? Take care, everybody.